Hello, welcome to Super Billing. In this video, we are going to see how to set up add products. So let's get started. So first, let's add a product. So on the left plane, go to products, click on add product. On add product screen, you will get number of options so that you can configure your product according to your business type. So first option is you can choose whether this is a product or you're offering a service. So now we are going to add a product. So I'm selecting the default product and type in the product name. And the MRP of the product and the purchase price for which you have purchased. You can provide this information or leave this, it is an optional one. And the sale price, the price which you are going to sell the product. So you can provide some discount, like you can give 1299 or any price that you wish to sell the product. And here the tax information. So here you can see, if we click on the drop down, the tax we added earlier in the settings, it will be displayed here, and the HSN code will be displayed here. The next is stock in hand. So how many stock that you have now, right now. So I'm giving it as 10. And unit, you can choose the unit or enter your own unit, like pieces, how you want, or you can choose numbers. And on sales price tax, you can see here in settings we have seen this. So settings, it will override your product selection and it will apply for the invoice, for the whole invoice. It will apply for your product wise. So if we click on tax included, see the sale price. The sale price, the tax will be included automatically and you will be displayed 1429.62. And after your taxes, it will be displayed as 1499. Okay. So if you don't want this, you can clear this and provide your sale price. Okay. And the next is item code. If you need, you can provide, or it will be filled automatically. This is the minimum stock alert quantity. So if you want to be alerted when it is 5, you can give it here. If it is below 5, it will alert you that this product is going to be out of stock soon. And this is the max stock alert. So the maximum stock where you want to alert. So the item is overstocked, so you can give it as 20. And the allow negative stock is, if you need the stock to go below 0, you can select yes. Or if you need your stock not to go below 0, you should select as no. And you can type the dealer name from where you purchased from. So for now I'm giving dealer 1. And this is the price slab for each customer. So I'm giving for everyone, or you can add a customer and choose the customer name from the drop down. So this is the barcode. So from the barcode settings, it has automatically generated a barcode for us. You can go with this barcode or delete it and scan your own barcode from the product. And this is the default discount. So if you're planning to give a default discount price, so for example, I'm going to give a 100 rupees discount on this product, you can type in 100. So it will defaultly add the discount. So the discount will be added by default when you select this product. And the opening stock is also same as the stock in hand, so it will be 10. Click on save. Yes, and the product is saved successfully. Now close this window. You can see the product has been added. Thank you.